Gotta make sure.
Oh my gosh, look.
Turn a little bit.
Hi guys, so I have my makeup with me right here and I'm about to get ready for the day. I actually only have like 10-15 minutes to get ready. I have quite a fun and eventful day ahead of us. Last night my boyfriend flew in and he's gonna be here for about a week. For those of you who don't know, I have a boyfriend and we met in college about in the middle of sophomore year, like my second year of college. He just recently graduated and moved back home to Tennessee. Yep, quite far. Yeah, he was home for the summer. Well, actually he was traveling for quite a bit, and now he's here for a few days while he still has his apartment for a little bit, and we are going to spend as much time together as possible, even though I have finals next week and I'm working and I'm doing clinicals, but we're doing our best to make it work. I'm going to quickly get ready. I feel like I'm most definitely going to run out of time, but we'll do what we can. I'm available for the next 3 days to do whatever we want. We planned a lot of things. This summer semester has actually been insane. I think it's also just the fact it is summer, and so I'm very, very lazy. For today, we're going to go get lunch, and then we're going to the aquarium, which I'm very, very excited for. And later tonight is his friend's birthday dinner, so we're gonna go to that. I haven't done my makeup in so long. I literally like forgot the order that I do things in. Okay, here's the final outfit. And I have this new bag, so I'm gonna wear that. I'm gonna wear, I think, my black Converse. This is Brandon.
Hi, I'm Brandon. That's Vivian.
We're at lunch now. Are you hungry?
I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
Very. Let's go.
Hi guys.
They got rid of my favorite drink. It was peach mango pie milk tea. So I got a mango milk tea with mango jelly boba. And there's stars, do you see? Ooh.
It's good?
I like it. I like it.
It's good.
We actually didn't even get any jelly.
Oh really? It tastes like real mango.
Yeah.
It's not too sweet either.
Not as good as my favorite drink, but I'll take it.
I tried to get this other drink, the calamansi lemonade. We're out of calamansi juice.
We got our food. Wow. Wow, this looks good.
It's pretty.
Wow. Huh? Like this?
Yeah.
Cheers. Oh, I messed it up. All finished.
You were leaning towards these, right?
Yeah, and I saw these ones, and I was like, wait, these are actually kind of cool.
Yeah.
These are the other shoes that I'm looking at. I don't know which one to get. How about You buy me one and then I buy the other one. Guys, I don't know which one to get. Guys, I really like this shirt. It's like kind of ribbed. And these pants are so cute. I think I'm gonna get them. I've actually been looking for like sweatpants like this that are wide-legged at the bottom. They only have this color and I think a black one. First I was leaning towards black, but I think I kind of like this gray one more. It's raining.
Putting it on my private.
Oh, good.
Wow. Oh no, my stroller. Cheers. Happy birthday. Hi guys, so today is Wednesday. It is currently 11:57. Brandon is on his way over for lunch. My mom cooked some sinigang because he hasn't tried it, and usually whenever he has lunch here we try to make some sort of Filipino dish for him to try. So yeah, plan for today, I have a dentist appointment later in the afternoon, and then we're gonna go roller skating. I've never gone roller skating and I'm kind of scared of falling on my face, and then we're gonna go get dinner later. Okay, here's the fit. I still have yet to do my makeup. We finished eating. I didn't vlog any of it, I forgot. But how was the food?
It was yummy.
Very
all
yummy.
homemade.
Yeah.
We had ribs, broccoli, and sinigang. Ah, yes, I got it. Okay, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Would eat again?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah!
What are we doing now?
Going to the dentist. I'm so sleepy. After lunch, I always get so tired.
Same. So
what if you
funny.
fall asleep waiting for me?
No, I'm gonna go in with you.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Wait, actually?
If you want me to.
So I went to Trader Joe's. We got some goods. We're gonna do a taste test. So both the things like we got are mango because I am a mango girl through and through. Mango sticky rice crisps and
freeze-dried mango.
oh my gosh, this looks like an apple.
Yeah, it does.
Cheers. It smells good. I approve.
Those are really good.
I could eat the whole bag right now. Okay, now for them sticky rice crisps. They look like this.
Come up closer, they can't see.
Cheers.
Yeah, not as good.
I give this a 4 out of 10.
Oh, I'll give it a 6.
Okay, how about this?
10. You too.
We're now at the skating place. Hopefully I don't fall on my face.
Me too.
What? Guys, that was such a flop. We literally got out of our cars and then I took a little picture outside. and then the worker came out and was like, we don't have power. It's really rainy right now and there's some lightning, and they were saying that lightning must have gotten one of the poles or something. But we found another place, a little bit of a drive, 20 minutes. Hopefully they have power there.
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with...
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking.
We're at dinner now. We got these, what is it? Shishito peppers?
It is what it is.
How would you describe the taste?
It's like no taste. It's just hot.
Now it's whatever. Whatever. Whatever.
One more? So fast.
Baby, you're the one I've been looking for so long. So long. She got me thinking life could be better.
We have one more piece, but neither of us have room in our stomach to eat it. We're just going back and forth. Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Do you want it?
Do you want it?
Update. He is getting it.
They're like the same color.
Just remove all my hair.
Where'd she go? Oh.
Oh no! Hi guys, so today is Thursday. I'm here studying. I'm still trying to squeeze in as much review this week as I can. Plan for today, we're going to the beach. I'm gonna do some kayaking. I've never been kayaking, but Brandon actually took a kayaking class as like an elective in his last semester of undergrad. There he learned how to kayak, canoe. It was a very fun, chill class. The entire semester I kept saying, when are we gonna go kayaking? When are you gonna take me? And we never got the chance to. Until now. It's kind of cloudy-ish today, but it kind of rained really hard last night, and so there's some clouds still lingering around. I'm crossing my fingers that it's going to clear up.
Maybe I could be your solace. Maybe I could be something more. Well, baby, it's always summertime. When I'm with you, that's not a lie. Well, maybe you could be my solace. Only my two 날 외로워해. 내 심장이 막 두근두근 터질 것 같아. 눈이 마주칠 때면 미쳐가. 매일 밤 가슴이 터질 듯한 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래. 네가 돌아볼 때마다 고백 연습하는 나. I just wanna make you mine until the end. My summertime.
So this stuff, it pops out.
많은 사랑 노래들 이런 뻔한 가사를 쓰지만 다른 노래와는 달라. 다른 노래와는 달라. 너를 위해서 미안해잖아. 특별해 특별해. Maybe you could be my solace. Only my two 날 외로워해.
We just finished kayaking. It was so much fun. That was my first time ever kayaking, and it was very fun. I enjoyed it. I would definitely do it again. Now we set up our little tent. We're trying to figure out how to anchor it down without it flying away while we're in the water. I want to jump in the water so bad. It feels so nice and cool.
네가 돌아볼 때마다 고백 연습하는 나. I just wanna make you mine.
Snack time, snack time.
When you're not around, the sunlight fades so.
Look at my Crocs.
But yes, look at his Minecraft
Are
Crocs.
they fire?
So fire. Guys, look! The rain! We're in the kitchen now, and we're gonna cook all my food for the next 3 days because I have work and then clinical and then work. And I have my assistant chef right here. Both some spinach, maybe like just very, very small pieces. Maybe like, got it, chef?
Yes, chef.
Burger?
I tried to make
Brother cook better than yan.
simple recipe.
Why don't you admit it?
I mean, yeah.
A cooking competition.
Look at them knife skills.
Can't see that.
And now we just pour them in here. I usually just use a big spoon.
Wow, show the camera.
Spoon?
Oh, I can see my reflection in the spoon.
Really? Say hi.
Hi. Hi guys. It's a Brandon takeover.
Oh.
No, y'all asked for me.
I'm joking.
Why are you laughing? It's not a joke. Yeah, how's it going? Today,
On us making sure I was focused.
I'm a professional. I saw it. It was in focus, right? Y'all saw that. Okay. So today we did a lot of fun things. I'm sure y'all will see the footage of that very soon. Yeah. You have anything to say? No. She's gone silent. We are waiting for the food to be cooked. I think it's gonna be very yummy.
You're not even gonna eat it.
I eat with my eyes, so that's why it's gonna look yummy, so I know it tastes yummy.
Because it was made by you.
And you.
Oh yeah, me too.
She has nothing to say. What? No? You think I would be the vlogger and she would be the shy one, but no, it's actually the opposite way around. I don't know why she's being shy right now. Look. Hello, hello.
Is it not there now? Oh yeah. You want a spoon? Brandon is a true Filipino. Today he had adobo. Yesterday he had sinigang. Now he's eating halo-halo. The other day we ate, is it lechon kawali? I'm converting him into a Filipino. You want the big spoon? I'll give you the giant spoon.
Oh my gosh.
Actually, you can have this little baby spoon.
Okay. Thumbnail.
Finally finished everything. This is my food for the next 3 days and our breakfast bites. We did it! See you guys next time on our cooking show.
Yeah.
Bye. It is, let's say, Saturday. Got some Chipotle. Oh, it's warm. And we're gonna have a movie night. But first, a little gift. Cow?
It's a little cow.
Wait! He's so cute. Guys, look at this cow. Oh, reminds me of the picture you sent me of the cows. I love that picture. They were so cute.
When I went to Italy.
Whoa! Wait, this is cute.
I saw it and I was like, this is literally perfect for you.
Oh yeah, I like this. Wait, I'm gonna switch it right now.
It might be like a little bigger than what you would want, but
It's okay, I'll use it. Thanks.
you know, chocolates.
Oh! Hazelnut and almond chocolate. Thank you. So it is currently Sunday night. It is about 9 p.m. I had work today. I got home about like 7:30. Now I'm currently studying for my final tomorrow. I did most of my studying last week, and so this past week I was just kind of like lightly studying, lightly reviewing a little bit every single day. Now I'm just going through everything once again, so it's all in the front of my brain and not in the back, you know. Tomorrow after my final is me and Brandon's last day together. Oh, so sad. Guys, I'm gonna cry. We're gonna get brunch at this one restaurant that I've been really wanting to go to. And honestly, I don't really know what the plan is for the rest of the day. Probably just make the most out of the time that we have left. That's so creepy. What, you trying to guess? Hi guys, it is currently raining pretty hard. I finished my final. Finally, I'm done with the summer class. Oh my god, very busy and jam-packed. This course is usually 16 weeks. Is that how long a normal semester is? 16 weeks into like 11. Ugh. And I passed. I was able to keep my A. And now we're going to brunch. And then afterwards, we're gonna go to a museum. It's just quite a drive away, but hopefully it'll be worth the drive. And yeah, is the current update as of right now. Look at these Brussels sprouts, guys. They smell so good. Oh my gosh. Cheers. Oh my god.
no.
You guys smell. I approve. You approve?
Approve.
Oh my gosh. Look how thick this slice of bread is. And I got literally one could have been enough. What'd you get? BLT.
BLT. On to the next chapter.
We're now en route to our next destination. Do you guys see how steep this bridge is? It's like a roller coaster. Oh my god, boat. Guys, why am I actually kind of scared right now?
Not a life that I choose. You loosened up my guard, sat right in my heart.
Oof. Wait, it's banana milk.
Oh, it's
Oh, Miffy. Look what I found. It's Melody. I'm so confused.
When the week gets hard, take the time out of my day to
Guys, it's so cute here.
Alright, it's just like, it's so different.
Yeah. A normal
Florida.
museum. Oh yeah. Yeah, it doesn't feel like we're in Florida.
anything for you, if it means that you like me, like I like you. If only if you knew how much you mean to me, my love.
Welcome to my crib. How much does your house cost?
Oh, you know, it's free.
Free? Oh. And this is the view.
To me, my love, my love. Don't know if I'll even let you hear this song.
Bye, Sarasota.
Now we're heading back to St. Pete. We're going to meet up with Mika. This is our annual meetup. We literally only see each other like once a year. We're gonna get Korean food. I'm very excited. We're now currently on the Scary Bridge. Why did my ears like pop? Wait, what? Did yours?
I think so.
Wow!
It's
really spicy. Honestly, if you ask
dark red. We can switch. This is real. I think you like this.
Okay, everyone go around and say how you like your food. I lost my train of thought halfway. Food was very good. I just didn't finish it, but the dumplings were good.
You didn't rate it.
Oh, I rate it 7 out of 10. Actually, a 6. It'd be a 7 if it had noodles. No way.
I had this soup with like tofu, beef and stuff. It was bussin'. I give it an 8 out of 10.
Mine was bustin'. Mine was bustin'. Feasted. I had tong suyuk. It was pretty good, crispy. I wish there were veggies or something though, because it was just chicken and rice. But I give the chicken and rice 7 out of 10. Bust. Period.
Period. Plain. Girl boss. Skibidi silent.
Sigma.
Alpha beta. First ever Sunny Angel. Oh, the mouse is cute.
How do you zoom? Wait, which one did you want?
Ears.
Is it a bunny?
Oh yeah, there's only one. Or it's a rabbit. No, but the ears are like close together.
Wow! Oh my god! Wait, everyone wants this this one.
Did I get lucky?
Yeah, I think so. Everyone usually wants the bunny.
I have the worst blind bugs ever.